Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Zapier. This integration allows you to automate workflows between Smartsheet and other apps, saving you time on repetitive tasks and keeping your data synchronized across platforms. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Zapier dashboard where all your automation possibilities begin. Now look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll create your new automated workflow. The term Zap refers to the automated connection between two apps, and you're about to build one that links Smartsheet with another service. Next, click on the Trigger button. The trigger is essentially the starting point of your automation, the event that kicks everything else into motion. In the search field that appears, type in Smartsheet and select it as your trigger app. You'll then need to choose a trigger event from the options available. For example, you might select New Row Added if you want the automation to run whenever someone adds a new row to your sheet, or Updated Row if you want it to trigger when existing data changes. Choose whichever event matches your workflow needs. At this point, Zapier will prompt you to sign in to your Smartsheet account. Make sure you have a Smartsheet account ready at smartsheet.com. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first before continuing. Once you've signed in, Zapier will ask you to select a specific Smartsheet workspace, folder, or sheet from the drop-down menu. This tells Zapier exactly which sheet to monitor for your chosen trigger event. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click the Action button to proceed. In the search field, type in Google Drive and select it from the results. This is the app that will perform an action based on your Smartsheet trigger. From the drop-down menu, choose an action event such as Create Folder. This means that every time your trigger condition is met in Smartsheet, a new folder will automatically be created in Google Drive. You'll need to connect or sign in to your Google Drive account at this stage. Zapier requires access to perform actions on your behalf, so follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can customize the action settings such as naming conventions for new folders or specifying where they should be created. After configuring everything, click Continue. Zapier will then give you the option to test the action step. This test ensures that your Zap is working correctly before you activate it. Run the test and verify that the folder is created as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap to activate your automation, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with Zapier, creating an automated workflow that saves you time and keeps your tools connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.